Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and make sure to stick around for the end of this video for an epic giveaway where I'm giving 4 of these tools away. So I am going in with my beard brush from Aberlite just to make it all manageable and easier to start the trimming with. Now taking my wall styler, I'm going in as well with the tool just to map it all out, and as you can see I go with the curved side and I usually line it up towards the corner of my mouth. That way I get a more precise cut and it looks more of an even line because I have mapped it out that way. So as you can see, I only take a small amount off because if I take a lot off, I don't really have a lot of beard. I'm also using a Gillette styler as well because I feel like they get more of a precise cut in as well. So I usually have a lot of trouble with my mustache line, so this tool has been really great in making it so much easier and more convenient on mapping out that mustache line. As you can see, it's shaping up to really great. Next up, we are going to start doing our little soul patch area and just trim everything up, making it look a lot more precise, more clean cut. I also use this side of the tool just to define it more, and I will also narrow out the soul patch a little bit just to make it a little bit more slicker and look a little bit better. Then we are going to use this side of the tool to map out a line on our beard so we can take away all that excess neck hair from the line below and get it prepped for trying to get that real clean cut line. So you can use any of the sides that you think will define your beard the way you want it to look. I also use this part of the tool just to do my sideburn area, just to clean it up because it does get a little bit out of control, and then on the other side kind of repeating that step yet again. And these are all the ways you can use to get your beard looking really sharp. And as you can see, that line you can just go over again yourself, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and it just looks really great. So then after all of that, I go in with a number 3 on my Gillette styler and I just shape it all up. Then with using the Aberlite Beard oil just to slick it all down and make it look fresh, smelling great, looking good. And that's it. This is the finished look that I have achieved with the tool. Everything looks a lot more sharper, a lot more neater, and you can do this for so many different looks. This is just the way I was doing before I went out for the night, and it looked pretty sharp. Hey guys, so as you can see from my little tutorial earlier, I'm going to show you what you get in the Aberlite Beard Hair Liner tool, because this is what I've been using in the video and I thought it'd be great to show you. So it looks like this. The product comes in this really sleek packaging, and this is the inside. It gives you some style inspiration, ways to use the cutter, and it also tells you how to do the quick trim, the precision cut, and more about the neckline trimming. So if you're a beginner to all this, they have got you covered with some easy styles for cheek line, goatee, and neckline, so you're good to go. Now, what do you get in this pack? So the first thing you always get is the little product catalog, so you can go see what other products they have. It's always good to have a physical copy. The next thing is they always give these out. They're the little keychains that I have shown before. Next up, you have the Barber Pencil. Now, I've saw this before. This one is huge. You're gonna have this for a long time. It's really great when you want to really shape out the lines and the edges. If you're a beginner, this is so handy. It also comes with a little topper, kind of little sharpener on the end, which I always think is such a great idea to have. Then you get the product itself. So it looks like this. It's a nice little green shield emblem, and you can see how see-through it is. It is pretty perfect. It is huge. This one, super sturdy, you can't even break it pretty much. So it does all the different shapes on it, so you have different styles that you can use for your face. Now, you saw me use this in the video. So this flex shaper is really good, and it's got a really good grip here, so you can really get a good grip on it. It's not gonna slide. So when you put it on, it's stuck. Do you know what I mean? Now, I really love this product. It's very innovative. You can see literally where your hair is. You're not, with the Groomerang and the others that I have had, you had a problem not knowing what was the line going to look like and what kind of hair you were taking off. So this is really great that they done in the clear. So I'm really loving this. Also in the video I used beard oil, and there was an unscented and a sandalwood smell. Now for me, I love the smell of sandalwood, so I went with this one. Sandalwood is really nice, and as you can see, it really keeps your beard like looking slick, looks nice, and it's really good to like, you know, just, you know, keep it in shape and on check. And also I have like this little wood comb from last time, so my beard is slightly longer in the cheeks. It's good if to use that in, so basically that evenly disperses the beard oil and it makes it look really good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So beard oils you can never have enough of, so having an unscented and a scented is really good. So if you're going out, you want to have a nice smell, go with the sandalwood, and if you were particularly in an unscented mood, then go with that one. So if you thought that was all for the video, there's more. Basically, the guys who were so kind to Aberlite to send me some extras, which I will be giving to UK and European viewers. So if you want to enter this, leave a comment down below for the upcoming Q&A, and also leave the location where you're from. So, you know, just leave a comment, 1 comment per person. Let me know what your question is for the upcoming Q&A, because I want to know. And yeah, I'll be picking the first winner for Europe and UK for this one, and then for this one will be the runner-up. So it's the Flex Shaper neckline, which I done in a previous video, so you can go check that out. And this one is the one I used in today's video. Also, if you are from America, don't worry, I will be picking 2 American viewers as well, and they will be shipping out directly from Aberlite to you. So American and Canada, I'm pretty sure this will be covered for that. So make sure to leave your comment down below with your question. Yeah, let me know where you're from so I can be able to ship it out properly for you guys. But yeah, that's it. I just want to say, make sure to leave this video a big old like and subscribe for more content. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be, and I'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.